So, what is a portfolio? Well, a portfolio, an individual or an institution combines multiple financial securities into a brokerage account, and we refer to that as a portfolio. Anybody can have a portfolio. There are no specific rules as to what can be included into a portfolio, other than to say that any asset that can be, bought through the institution that you have the portfolio with, so brokerage company. And the person who usually manages the portfolio is referred to as the portfolio manager. So if you have a portfolio, well, you're the portfolio manager of your own portfolio. So I pulled up a list of companies on Yahoo Finance. Exxon, I just sampled random companies: Exxon, Boeing, Netflix, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and JP Morgan Chase. If I actually had an account with any other brokerage companies, and if I had a few shares of each, um, that will be referred to as a portfolio, and I will be the portfolio manager for my own portfolio. Um, I could have any asset. I could have bonds, commodities, futures, options, equities, even parts of other people's portfolio into my own portfolio. So um, it really is just a group of investments into a brokerage account, and we refer to that as a portfolio. There are certain guidelines that we're going to talk about throughout the semester, throughout the course, as to create a portfolio that follows our own um, investment targets, investment policies, investment wishes, and that will be, the point of having a portfolio. um, randomly including, stocks and bonds will be a portfolio, but it may not serve our own investment purposes. It may not help us to reach our financial goals. So, how do we reach to those goals? Is obviously the question, but the definition of a portfolio is simply to have all these securities into an account.